Oh, this is so weird. I don't know how people do this for a living. Ooh. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about how to film a 360 dance video. This is a very basic, beginner-friendly guide, and we're going to be talking about cameras, location, choreography, and post-production elements like stitching, editing, and sharing 360 videos. So let's get started. There are tons of 360 cameras on the market, and it can get kind of overwhelming once you start comparing specs and whatnot. The most basic 360 cameras usually have two lenses, one at the front and one at the back, and each one of them records videos that are around 180-degree field of view. The videos then get stitched together on the sides to create this 360 look. So I have this one. This is from Ricoh Theta, and it shoots in 1080p, but there are definitely much nicer ones that shoot in 4K and even 8K. So it really just depends on your budget and what you think you'll need. Location is crucial when it comes to filming 360 videos, because part of what makes it so interesting to watch is that we get to see the whole space. If you plan on keeping the camera stationary on a tripod, I recommend finding somewhere relatively flat and stable to set it on. You could film outdoors, you could film indoors in a theater or at a studio, but just keep in mind that everything around you will be visible, so you can't really hide anything. You want to make sure that the space is very intentional and there won't be anything distracting to the dance in it. Choreographing for a proscenium stage and for a 360 video are two completely different things. For one, there's no such thing as being off stage, and there aren't any wings for you to hide behind. Depending on how you want to present your video, you could actually let viewers choose what they want to look at. So you'll need to think about how you want to guide their attention, or if you want to just let them explore. If you have more than one dancer and they're dancing on opposite sides of the space, your viewer will likely only be able to see one at a time. Remember, the camera is going to be in the middle, and your viewer will be fully immersed in the space, so your choreography needs to happen around them. Post-production can honestly be a whole other video, but for now, we'll just touch on the basics. So the first thing you'll want to do after you finish filming is stitching. Most 360 cameras will have their own softwares that you can download onto your desktop or laptop, and it will help you stitch those video files from the camera together. From there, you can import those files into editing softwares like Premiere Pro or Final Cut to help you edit your footage like you would with regular videos. I use Premiere Pro for mine, and honestly, I just Googled and learned as I went. You can use many of the same effects such as video transitions and color grading and keyframes, but there are also specific plugins that are meant for VR and 360 footage. Once you're done editing, make sure you export in a 360 format. In Premiere Pro, there is a section in the video tab that says video is VR, so you want to make sure that there is a check mark in that box. Depending on the length of your video and also the resolution you filmed in, it could take a while, so grab a snack and go for a walk. As for sharing your 360 dance film, YouTube and Vimeo both support 360 formats, so those would be my platforms of choice. Viewers who are watching on their computers can use their mouse to drag and scroll through the screen, while viewers who are watching through the apps on their smartphones can go like this. They can also zoom in and out, which I think is really cool as well. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, and if you did, please feel free to share it with your fellow dancers and filmmakers. I will be releasing my very first 360 dance film very soon, so if you are interested, you can subscribe and also hit that little notification bell, and you will be alerted as soon as it comes out. Hope you guys have a good day, and thanks for watching. At the back, and they each, what am I doing? Okay, there's a checkbox, check mark. Thanks for watching.